Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
For sure, ma'am, you're looking very pretty.
Arey, thank you.
Okay, and a big congratulations. The first season I've got a huge response from the audience. Huge, not I will say a tremendous. So, how excited are you for the second season?
Definitely, I'm very excited, and I love you all for giving us so much love. Yeah, this has been so good. And I think whoever has seen the first 4 episodes has been asking कि कब होगा season finale, कब होगा, and finally अब होने वाला है. So on 22nd Feb, season finale, the next 4 episodes are going to be launched, and I can tell you that I think I'm as excited as every audience is, and I'm also looking forward कि अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा.
Okay, so ma'am, what kind of appreciation have you got after the trailer release?
One thing that everyone said was कि अरे this is such a different character. You're doing such a different character. So I think it's definitely distinctively different from whatever I have done in the past. The characterization, the way the character looks, the way the character talks, everything is very different from all the characters that I have done in the past. And I think that's where the fun lied for me, because I had to make it very real, and this was a character of which I had absolutely no idea in terms of the functioning, because I have not even stepped inside a ATC room ever. But yes, there were some key points that were told to me, and that I kept in my mind, and I kept it as organic as possible, and I'm pasand aaya sir.
Okay, ma'am, you are one of the artists from our Bollywood which have explored all 3 mediums like serial, TV, and now web series. So, which is your favorite?
That's a very tricky question. Every medium is different. I can say that I was lucky that I have enjoyed the mediums, like I have enjoyed television at its peak. You know, when we started, daily soaps were setting in, and we have seen the golden years of television, unmatched glory. I think 8 years of a show running and doing such powerful characters on television, and I think television is something that has been a big part of my life. I just realized some days ago that it's been over 25 years that I have been in front of the camera now. I started sometime, the first time I faced camera was in 93. So of course I am biased, but right now I am enjoying the web platform because it gives you the freedom to try out different characters. And in lesser time, it's because the commitment is lesser, because most of these web series are 8 to 10 episodes or maximum 15 episodes. So the commitment in terms of time is much lesser, so you can balance your personal and professional life in a far more controlled manner, in a better manner. So it gives you that freedom of time, it gives you the choice to experiment with your performance. Like particularly for this series, the final call, there was so much drama happening around the characters that I thought the character in itself didn't require any drama. So we've kept it very subtle, very basic, very like how you and I would talk, very real. So maza aata hai, you get to do, and then it's also interesting because with each project you come to know how the feedback is, and it's always nice when there is a positive feedback from the people and they're like, हाँ, so such and such actor has done this role differently and believably. So yeah, it makes me happy.
Okay, Sakshi ma'am, many people have told that the web series allow the time length and the time and the length to improve. Do you agree?
I didn't get it. What, I mean, in
the
what
web
way?
Series allow you to improve your timing and length of the movie. Do you agree?
हमने टेलीविजन किया where we've lived one emotion for 5 episodes. What are you saying? I'm sure people who come from film to web have that feeling, because in films you get limited time. You can't tell the story in an elaborate manner. So if there is a story about one person, it is a story about that one person only, because 2 घंटे 2.5 घंटे की film बनानी है. But there are 5 people around that one person who have individual stories also. Correct? वो choice आपको वेब देता है, बिकॉज यू कैन एक्सप्लोर दोज 5 कैरेक्टर स्टोरी ऑल्सो. वो हमने बहुत किया. हमने तो उन 5 के भी जो और 5 कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनकी भी लाइफ को दिखाया, उसको भी मेन कैरेक्टर क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, वो दुकानदार का भी क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, वो रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. हम वी हैव डन लाइक वन पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट फॉर ओवर आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी एपिसोड्स, यू नो. सो दैट ऑफ कोर्स डजंट अप्लाई इन आवर केस, बट येस आई अग्री टू इट to quite an extent.
Okay, ma'am, you have got a tremendous love from your audiences. अगर मैं बात करूँ सीरियल्स, मूवी की, दंगल की जब भी बात करें, do you think after दंगल the role which are been offered to you in different, you have got the different after the दंगल, the perception has been changed?
I think you have to ask that to the people who are approaching me, that what has made them change their mind or whatever. I am not the right person to answer that, because I get similar roles also today and I get different roles also today. So what the film has definitely done has added a lot of credibility to my name.
Okay, last 2 questions. How was the experience with the Javed Jafri sir? And because he have told me that हमने बहुत मजे किए थे. आप साक्षी मैम से पूछ लेना कि हमने कितने मजे किए थे. So yeah, I'm asking you.
You know what? When this show was offered to me, na, they had told me कि अरे we have like these exotic locations. We'll be going to Kashmir and we'll be going to London and this and that. And I was like, yeah, you know, finally I'll be traveling and shooting at different locations. And when I get the schedule, air traffic control room, studio location Bombay. तो मेरे साथ तो ये हुआ है. So they have all travelled everywhere and I have shot 10 days sitting in one location, looking at empty monitors, talking on the phone. I have not shot with anyone. So they are the ones. All the boys have had the fun. और मेरे को एक उसमें रूम में बिठा के सारा फ़ोन पे बात करवा दी खाली, और वो मॉनिटर को देख के मैं कह रही हूँ अरे प्लेन क्रैश करने वाला है, अरे बचाओ प्लेन को, ये तो सो चीटिंग हो गई है थोड़ी सी.
ओके, लास्टली मैम आपके दर्शकों को, आपके फैंस को क्या कहना चाहिए जो बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
बस 22 मार्च को इफ़ यू हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड द ऐप, then download the rest of the 4 episodes and watch it, because if you've seen the last 4, then this season finale is going to take the show to another level. There are a lot of interesting things that are going to unfold. You're going to see the journeys of the characters, their past, their revelations, and they're going to completely shock you, surprise you, make you happy, make you sad, whatever. And if you've not seen the first 4, then please download ZEE5 and see the final call. पहले 4 देख लो ताकि 22 मार्च तक फिर बाकी के 4 के लिए तैयार हो जाओ.
Thank you Sakshi. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much.